parking around about 10 minutes away. The guys are tired, taking a nap in the back. It's been a long drive. We've been on the road for about 2 hours. Sweet. The stove looks sexy though, eh? What's up guys? How's it? On my way to Wamhlanga. We're doing the gas installation, 6 units, not only for the gas stoves but for the geysers. I think a lot of people are looking for alternatives. When Eskom fails you, what are you gonna do? You gotta make a plan. You don't want to be left stranded. You know, one of the things I love about construction is that you get to travel. I love my road trips. I just stopped to grab something to drink. I should be there in about an hour or so. Come with us, let's check out the installation. If you love our type of content, please do subscribe, hit like, share the video, and please do comment, share the video with your friends, your family, tell everybody. Come, check it out. Mav Construction signing out. Today we're taking you through a recently completed project where we installed a gas geyser together with the gas stove for 6 bachelor units. As energy costs continue to rise and power cuts remain a reality in South Africa, many homeowners and property investors are looking for reliable alternatives to the traditional electric appliances. Gas is becoming one of the most practical and cost-effective solutions available. South Africa is blessed with an abundance of sunlight throughout the year, which makes solar an attractive option. Solar technology has improved significantly over the years, and many homeowners are now using solar systems to reduce their electricity bills. However, solar installations can be expensive, especially when you start adding batteries and your larger inverter systems. Heating water with solar electricity can also become challenging during winter months when the sun hours are shorter and temperatures are lower. To produce enough hot water, the system often requires larger battery banks and additional solar panels, which increase the overall cost. This is where gas becomes an excellent alternative. Gas appliances are efficient, they are reliable, and can operate independently of the electric grid. Whether there is load shedding, there's power cuts, you can still enjoy the hot water and cook your meals without any interruptions. One important consideration when installing gas systems in South Africa is security. Unfortunately, theft remains a concern in many areas, and so gas cylinders are valuable and can be targeted by criminals. For this reason, we always recommend installing secure gas cages and locking them up properly. A quality lock and secure cage can go a long way in protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. guys, we are almost there. We're trekking around about 10 minutes away. The guys are tired, taking a nap in the back. It's been a long drive. We've been on the road for about 2 hours. And yeah, come, let's pop in and let's start the installation. Another important consideration is cylinder sizing. Many people ask whether a 9 kilogram cylinder is sufficient for a gas geyser. In our experience, a 9 kilogram cylinder is generally too small for a bachelor unit that uses a gas geyser regularly. We typically recommend at least a 19 kilogram cylinder for this bachelor unit. This provides a more practical gas supply and reduces the frequency of your refills. One of the biggest advantages of a gas geyser is that it heats water only when the water is needed. Unlike traditional electric geysers, there's no large tank of water sitting and losing heat throughout the day. The geyser activates when you open the hot water tap and immediately begins to heat the water flowing through it. This means you are not paying to keep water hot all day and all night. The system only consumes energy when hot water is actually required. Because of this, gas geysers are extremely efficient and can significantly reduce energy costs. In most cases, the water is more than hot enough for daily use, including washing dishes, brushing your teeth, hand washing, and enjoying a comfortable shower. Now let's talk about gas stoves. Gas stoves have become increasingly popular across South Africa, and for a good reason. They provide instant heat, excellent temperature control, and continue working even when you have power cuts. One of the biggest advantages of cooking with a gas stove is that gas is highly responsive. When you increase and decrease the flame, the temperature changes immediately. This gives you greater control while cooking and often reduces better cooking results.
Stove looks sexy though, eh?
Alex, take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on my knees.
Gas stoves operate independently of the electric grid and provide excellent reliability. One common challenge occurs when homeowners decide to install gas after construction is already complete. In many cases, concrete floors and finished surfaces need to be cut open to create routes for the gas piping. This can be costly and disruptive. It can be time-consuming. Proper planning allows gas piping to be installed before floors are cast and before finishes are completed. So do consider this if you want to use gas. Some homeowners choose the routes of gas piping through the roof spaces and ceiling. While this is possible, it is often a challenge. It requires additional protection and heat-resistant material, which can increase installation costs. Now let's discuss safety. Gas is an excellent energy source, but it must always be treated with respect. It can be dangerous. There are strict regulations and standards governing gas installations in the country. Gas cylinders and equipment cannot be simply installed anywhere. There are minimum clearance requirements from doors, windows, and electrical equipment and other ignition sources. These requirements are designed to protect occupants and reduce risks. Proper signage is also extremely important. Warning signs helping identify gas installation and alert occupants, visitors, and emergency personnel, to every gas installation should be designed, installed, and tested according to applicable standards. This is not an area where shortcuts are to be taken or even considered altogether.
Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. Never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly about the...
A poorly installed gas system can create serious hazards. For this reason, it is essential to use a qualified and certified gas installer.
Out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you.
Upon completion of a compliant installation, the installer should issue a gas certificate of compliance, commonly known as a COC.
Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. Cause I would rather be running away.
As property owners, developers, landlords, construction personnel, it is all our responsibility to ensure that gas installations are safe, they are compliant, and properly maintained. For this project, we successfully completed the installation of 6 gas geysers and 6 gas stoves, helping provide reliable hot water and cooking facilities for all 6 bachelor units. The result is practical, it is energy efficient, and it reduces dependence of the electricity grid while providing tenants with modern convenience. We hope this video will help you understand some of the advantages of gas systems and the important consideration when planning your own installation. If you're considering a gas geyser, a gas stove, or a complete gas installation for your home, rental, property, or development project, MEV Construction is here to help you. Please do reach out in the contact details provided. Thank you for watching. If you found our video helpful, please do give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit like, share the video, and do comment. Until next time, take care.